Did a quick stir. Just like that. Looking good, boy. Outside door, no? Outside, the next banger. Welcome back and good evening, my beautiful people. Say, I don't know today. Camp boat on your stop tonight, you know. Guys, a big rain fall, so you know we can't go up on the riverside and the seaside. So I think you put the plans, you know. So we have a chair there on the ceiling, no? Look better and so. And we have a light, we have some equipment up and so. Yeah, man, light man, you see me? I'm going to blow up a bit before you guys, so. Show the process to set up in tent, you know. Yeah. Quick setup, guys. Well, quick setup. Last time we do it, take long. Because we just buy tent for you. Oh, dear, right. Yeah, move so like that. Come in. Come in, all these people back in camera. Come in, you don't look for brother. Joshua, big up yourself. Well, come in. Come in. Mosquito man. Mosquito what? Yeah guys. Yeah guys, so yun nga pa ni roof ni. Ako watch. Joshua na ka. We don't want him walk off the house.
Nalain ko dyan po na booking 2,7.
Alright, so that's what we got. One side that down already guys. It's come fast. The good thing about it guys, breeze now blow, you see me? So, then can't feel quick and fast. One that look like some white man.
It's white man.
Oh, things are burning in my tent today. Last time we light a fire. Right now. Just also wait, tent a bull.
Oh, we tent a get big. Oh, I want of them campsite.
Yeah guys, so. Something like this.
I want triangle tent.
Anna, give the mic a break please and thank you. See people, I'm tired. What's with that? Hey man.
In the ball.
Push. Watch it. Watch it, wire. Watch it, wire. Yeah, guys, so. Right, see that come on, eh? So these are the mega section. So, everyone. Yeah, guys, so. Nothing like this, no? Keep it right up. There. Guys, so one side in, the next side now. This now we are going to get a bend, not a slight bend but a full 360-degree bend like that, just like that guys. Alright, now we install one of the foot them, like that. Like that guys, in the car. Next one. Right.
Sit down. Sit down.
Here, guys. Okay. Alright. One more on the low. Stand up. Hold it right here for me.
Yeah.
Hold it. Stand up, I'll hold it. Don't move. Okay? Alright, guys, so I'm going to put the eyes up. Reggae, top 10. One more foot. Put up really quick. Coming on fine? Yeah. On the last camping video, now I set up back the tent. So, you know, hold that go. Yeah, kind of straight there. Catch the foot in the corner over here. Alright, just like that, right there, right there.
Don't forget clean on
Alright, guys, so be a church in the tent. Look at the tent, show them the tent there. Be a church.
Want clean top? Not clean.
So go and take it out.
What did I do though?
So I'm boom right here, so.
Person.
You come feet, man. You see me here?
Wait.
See you right beside me.
Sorry.
Strap a foot. Right here. You know, I'm going to put that back over here for your motion foot. Right? So one down. Tap the foot now. One down, sweet foot. Then, dia put aja, fix that foot.
Don't make this jump for me. I'll come now. Go like it.
I don't right here. Just hold it there. Oh, kita boleh dah ini. What is it? The foot now. Okay.
I can come tie this.
Alright, Van. No more sweeping. Yeah, guys, so. This is one of the half of them. Now, tent big. Look at this, guys. This is more than a 12 by 12 room, and the tent almost cover the room. So you know how the tent big. This is an 11-person tent. Yeah, man. This fabric, you see, guys, the water, when the rain falls, the water it's soak on it and go off to the ground. It don't come inside. Not because it's mesh. Yeah, it's polyester. Like, it's polyester like. Not fully polyester, but polyester like. You know polyester, everything will stick on, but it's one extra piece.
Yeah, guys, so Joshua put in the bed there. Turn it sideways. Put it, come back. Come back. One. Yeah, man, move in the mattress there.
Flip it over. That's all.
Right there. See that, guys? Look on the space we left in the tent. And next bed can hold. Yeah, man, so guys, we are in a light right here, so. Yeah, guys, so Joshua put it in the bed. Put up lighter now. This is the LED light. Yeah, man, it must up right up there. It's like bright, you know, guys. Fully bright. Yeah, I'm sending Joshua for a power bank. Yo! Which part of the office? Looking at my office, you see it? Yeah, guys, so settings here. Yeah, man, so you see the bed there now? Turn it last way, so. A little more space. That is it, guys. I look at you in that corner there. Yeah, man. Zip up, zip up. Yeah, guys, so this is where we're sleeping tonight. On the roof. We're outside now. Yeah, guys, so watch out. This is one of my power adapter. Look at this, guys. That's a there be light, and there was light. You want to see that, guys? Right. This probably serve for an hour tops, because you don't know it's a generator, it's a little backup generator from my office. Yeah, guys. So when like before, when like I plug it in they might say if current come or current cut, yeah, good for it. It protect my system, protect everything when I'm charging my cameras, everything, guys. Yeah, guys. It serve for an hour, sometime half an hour after the light gone. Yeah, man. I still have light. Already. Yeah, guys. So you don't know, night come down and thing, you know. You have your light pot, yeah. So guys, look on the light, LED, fully bright. Yeah, gonna have some garlic in one. Show them garlic on it. I know weed na, guys. See it? Garlic. Antibiotic. Yeah, man. Just showing it in there. Fully sweet. Yes, guys. Laptop right there, so. Editing process right there. Yeah, man. Just sitting down in the chair. Say, man, sweat. Say, man, sweat, man. Yeah, guys. Man, camping out outside, you know, on the roof, closer to the stars. Yeah, man, put on the pot on the cool. That is it. My. That's when you have a know the eye well, and when you see them here black. Yeah, guys, see so good? God, them smell nice. Nice, guys.
Where'd you go?
Outside, guys, look at this. What we say up on the roof? Come on. Yeah? In the skies.
See here, so we have the onion, scallion, what them call green onion, same way. We have tomato, we have green pepper, we have thyme. Yeah, well cut up already, you see.
You guys see the fish in the season already?
Season up with some fish season. Yeah.
Joshua, you want some? Joshua?
Ready.
One. Very cool.
Ready?
Yeah. Scales off? Scales off? Con this off. One. Alright guys. Oh yeah, turn all of them one time. I'll say a skill. Oh, I'll say a skill is. A two alone turn. A two alone turn, man. Hey, say do I say a skill? Yes, a skill, man. Yeah, try. Right, so there process ya the video do today gua edit apa penting you know come on it ready for the outdoors all the way you know gua fishing good boy almost there party there. Okay guys, so first set of fish na come sa fire or sa pot. We will fry. Hindi na fire fry boy. Put them together and don't burn them up, you know. Watch this splash, boy. Yeah guys, so guys, what you say guys? I put in the seasoning. Guys, I do same all the seasoning of watch it. Oil. Did a quick stir. Just like that. Looking good, boy. That's really nice, boy. That's why I can eat steam with. Just take out that and give me that my plate. Need that. Okay? Alright, so what I got now, I put in the water. Add look water. Or you add the fish in first. Or you might, so I'll do it a different way tonight, guys. So we have a pot, we have a soup mix right here, spicy. See right here? Yeah man. No cock around here. No cock soup. Yeah? Quality since 1922. Look at the fine print guys. See it? Don't know if you can see it very well. Add the soup boy. Okay, so do I eat that secret ingredients for the fish them? Yeah guys, so we don't have no okra today guys cause we never bring none from down the farm. So we have to go and record this, you know. So after this got boil up guys, we add the fish them, you see me? Yeah man, you know what thing go, you see? Yeah guys, so one of the main ingredients, eh? It's quechua, cows ketchup. Yeah, man. Without this, now, guys. And fish are bad with the cows, you know. I don't throw too much in it, you know. Don't overpower it. Alright, guys. So you left that now. You know, bother stir with that. You just cover back the pot. See it? Yeah, man. Man. Alright, guys. So look, thing there now. Get some browning, get some color. You gotta get the nice color. Yeah, guys. Lucky buck. Lucky buck. Put it on top of that. Just move it from the fire side now, please and thank you. Yes, guys, and so done me igloo some for sure for the whole stop, guys. Yeah, man, grateful. Alright, here I go on. Yeah, man. Time for the fishing now, guys. Oh, if you smell the broth, guys, the broth smells nice. Yeah, otherwise known as gravy in Jamaica. Yes, guys. You don't know, we call things different, you know, guys. Your old patawa, you know? Or Creole language. Yeah, man. Right, man, what you do? If I say fish them cry, why you put them on top? Yeah. Guys, me get the biggest fish in today, you know, guys. Me win today, you know? Yeah, man. Hold on, ready?
Yeah, guys, I eat this. Finish now, you know?
Finish product. Take off that there. I'm drop on the rice.
You look for me.
Put it on the table. On the table, guys. Up the sky, you know?
Up in the sky,
Oh, Jacob there. Why enjoy himself?
Very nice there.
Yeah, knife, hello. Yeah, guys, so put on the rice. I know you don't know, you have to kind of ice the pot. So I have to fix to cool them. Yeah, guys, so on the rice pot there. How you cover it?
I'm just kidding, guys.
Salt, you know? Half teaspoon of salt. Guys, that's it. That sounds good. Catch pressure. Yeah, guys, so that's it. And they cover that now. And that's supposed to be it. Guys, so you can say put rice on a more thing, yeah? If you rice plaka film fault, yeah? Yeah, guys? I said those. Yeah, guys, so fire dead down. See, we pass in put the pot. That's you jump off and anything, guys. I'm going to jump off. I will stop, you know. I won't get a bite, you know. Come here, like it does go nice, you know. Oh, ay! Fire! Alright, that's what's alright. No more than that. Yeah, guys, so I eat that, you know. Blaze about that and put on back the rice. Yeah, guys, so check your rice now. Rice on turn, boy. No, guys, see the fire move lame. So blaze up the fire now. Yeah, guys, so turn up the rice. Do what I turn the rice, you know.
Some good mixture Shelina boy. If you ever taste some tough rice tonight, I'll kick you off your house up tonight. See me guys, I me make rice with you know, guys. You can't cook rice, you know. Yeah man. Me make rice with you. Ask me if you think I joke. Don't tell me make rice with you. Tell me make rice with you. You see, you can't cook rice, guys.
Go down.
You press it?
No, yet.
Eh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're outside.
Yeah. Big top chef side, you know.
One spoon of rice, one.
Yeah, man.
I want 40 rice, you want. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, guys, food for the people, you know.
Yeah, we eat rice alone. Come from.
Onion rice.
What name? Onion and rice. Onion and Irish.
Honey and rice.
What name?
Honey more and some onion rice.
Onion and rice.
What about like honey dog?
Onion and rice. I think they are beans ivory.
What were you read it?
Ivory call it?
Yeah.
Or corn.
What were you read it?
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, me can't take this thing out.
Can't text him?
No, like New Year.
We don't got sing. Not even go get sunfest.
Are you please? No.
No?
That's a basha one.
Yeah.
The garnet one, guys. The garnet plate deep.
No.
So you want the food come over and plate top.
You know what you did? You sack him over a plate, then you have a seat people. That can't worry. Share with dinner.
What is it? You read that the pine thing?
Yeah, man.
Sure enough.
We read that the fire fired?
Yeah.
No. Remember we are cooling, you know, you left off with that.
A Indian man like you.
Cooling.
A Indian.
Oh man. Indian up and down with spear, yeah, or what?
I'm born I work on Marlon. You can go on call.
You want to watch it, you know, that's why I call you.
Yeah, man.
The boss I watch it, you know.
Yes, guys, so when you enjoying the journey, they watch. When I hear them, this kind of little too far, you know?
Tell
Watch
him.
you go on. But you can't answer phone and now you calls. And share with people and people are hungry. Alright? Oh, wait, Jacob made one food. Put that Joshua plate, Joshua craving a bit. Guys, sing some mama. Guys, you sing some mama. My plate, yeah?
No, man, you drop off and whole stuff, you know, bro, God, me tell you already, you know.
My plate, guys.
Look, guys, see that man have a pot. Plastic pot. See that
plate?
people?
What is? Dish. Oh, that better than some dish. Look, guys. Look, watch out. This food na pass right just I look at big plate of it. More than this. They plate. Don't plate that one more than this.
No, man, I hear one wide and deeper. Show the people them where I'm going. Look for Ufa belly bigger.
Guys, I the beer when I drink. When you see me I drink it, I remember I get bigger than food, yeah? I like my tail. I beer fish meat. Beer fish and vegetables.
That's why I'm going to see the fish up on New Kingston.
That's what you want more rice, guys? Fish with guys.
Put rice in a Yannick plate in a dog.
No water. Just no water.
Put rice in a Joshua plate, no my
Alright guys, Joshua there. Joshua greedy, you know. You want to tell me? You don't know what to tell me, guys.
Watch out, people them have watch. We could have zoom them up, man.
Yeah, guys. So,
Yeah, we could have zoom up Bendy's them and watch you know. Couple subscriber them, you know.
nothing hot. Yo, some kind of people here like that. Yeah, guys. So.
And next door neighbors. Remember you're two big fish there on top. Remember you're two big swimmer around them, you know.
What is it?
Them for going on my plate, yeah?
Alright.
Guys, me catch the biggest fish there. We have a rule. Everybody catch the biggest fish, get the biggest fish. Yeah, guys. We're gonna get the smallest fish, get the smallest fish.
Right.
Jacob, to get one fish. Yeah, man, guys, it's a big fish. Yeah, guys, I'm giving you a big fish. Well done, clap him, Joshua. Yeah, Joshua catch a small fish, get a small fish. Anything you catch, guys? Turn barefoot, Joshua. Huh? Turn barefoot, please.
Come hold the camera. Come hold the camera. Come right here. So put on that.
Alright, guys, I can get 2 big fish, nobody else.
Watch.
No one? Yeah. Garnish. Honey. Mushroom. So guys, are you catch a small fish in the river here too? Alright guys, are you just are you? What fish you get, Jacob? 2?
I like small fish too.
No, I can't get mad.
Moon them in it.
Alright guys, so can you one more fish?
Just put fish in the plate now to the fish
Alright.
I want it onion and something. You know, see.
No, we're not getting onion.
Oh yeah, Tamo. Eat them too, you know. Yeah, man.
What if you say guys? Jacob catch one day. Gone.
Fish feast. So one to yourself, you don't want no more fish. Put one more fish in your plate.
My plate? No man, my plate alright man, it's my fish is nice. Alright guys, look at this, look at the broth. Noodles, seasoning, cut up, well good, well nice, smell good, you know? Not the way you think guys.
Yeah, that's true. The whole of that place.
So what like my plate? Guys, guys, say more on the whole of the broth.
Warm to me.
I'm just kidding.
Gonna crave, I'm not kidding, I'm kidding, crave. Well, I'm better than I get fat.
Alright guys.
That
That's all wrong.
I don't know what to wrong, you know?
That's all wrong.
You!
That's why I say, guys, I get fat guys. You know who I'm approach.
what actually put the whole life on.
You want to put the plate?
Only for no good. Alright.
Join it.
I want to you.
Put the man where you want. Yeah guys, it's bad enough guys, cause look. See the aisle, less everything. More noodles, but alright guys, so what's this?
Taste it and see it.
Yeah. It's a test and see how it runs, guys. Oh, hold on, guys. So we got muscle soup.
Here.
Yeah, forget it actually again, guys. See that? Yeah, man, got that. You want one? Yes, man.
Look at sock. They must smell the food, people. The monkeys eat. They must say, ooh. No? Straight fish. Tony Rasta.
Tomino.
Moon out. Yes, Akim. Fish them out. Asleep now.
Yeah, fish and guy and bed on you know. More almost full.
It's full.
Enough fight.
Oh, no. Quite.
Alright guys, see it? Piece of avocado. Don't know what going on now.
Food testers.
What?
No feed him face.
Guys? But tell you no joke about it, not like no lie. So but the pear dry. Right. Alright guys. Look at it. Meat. Come on. I'm going to think I need some food now. These are safe Jamaican adventures, you know, we outside like all the time. So I tap either one for you there. Yeah guys, big up Joshua behind the camera. Please like, share, subscribe again. Yeah man. We're outside. Yeah guys, so I attend the time hot. Rain due long today. Breeze stop blow. No breeze now blow. You see me time fully hot. Right, so I want 3 more minutes to don't cook. They are hungry and things, you see me? They want to do there. Lie down for them. On the bed. Yeah guys. They're outside, you know? Video, go through a process. Like on guys. So go on. Yeah man, we're outside. Yeah man, so good morning my beautiful people. I don't know. Wake up and thing. I just had fun last night. I don't know as I tell you in the roof today. Guys. So go on. Daylight na fully out yet, you know. The sky there. The moon still up. See moon there? Yeah guys. I don't know Joshua still asleep. I'm gonna pass around so. Yeah man. You're on it too. So guys, enjoy sleep last night. I one thing do the time. Cool up here. Christmas will come early this year guys. Yeah man. Yes man. Don't know you outside like all the time. Well, please like, share, subscribe. Jamaican Adventures. Camp out on the roof deep, but you see me? Yeah man, we outside like